I'm back. Lawnmowers. Today we're going to be mowing the lawn with the Honda. It's my wife's, so didn't cost me anything. I don't know what it costs. It's a Honda, so it probably costs a lot. Lawnmowers. And for the mowing, I'm using a Honda. Yeah, easy start. You saw one start, one pole. Having a propelled one makes it so easy to make the turns and everything. It's pretty nice. Get pumped up for the yard work. You gotta enjoy the tools. You gotta use them. You gotta be at one with them. So I'm going to do some warm up, kind of like when you exercise. Should you warm up? Probably. I don't, but I live dangerously. First thing you do is move into an area without a lot of traffic. You exercise the tools a little bit. You get it flowing, you know. Even though I am a man, this is apparently not called manscaping. I am a man. Yeah. I'm very excited to show you this next part. And my wife doesn't know I'm doing it, so she's not here, so it's gonna happen. I might have to take time off work. I might get hurt. We'll see. Michael Flatley, start of the dance. If you lack motivation to mow your lawn on a regular basis, this is the video for you. Later, we're going to do a video about home decoration. How to make the carpet match the drapes. Carpet doesn't have to match the drapes, but it can. I'll have to get my producer on that. Trimming the lawn, cutting the grass, 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 trimming the lawn, cutting the grass. Come along with me, gonna be great. Mowing the lawn. Michael Flatley, start of the dance. Yeah, whether you liked it or not, I'm going to keep doing it. This is it, man. Did the yard work. Yeah, a little bit of yard work, a little bit. That's all there is to it. All you do is put it in the oven for 50 minutes at 425 and you're good to go.